Getting a mortgage loan and purchasing a home is an exciting yet often confusing process with many steps involved. Here at Dick Gray Mortgage, we understand how overwhelming it can feel at times. That's why we created this helpful video, to walk you through the 20 key steps in the mortgage process from start to finish. At Dick Gray Mortgage, our experienced team is here to guide you through the mortgage process and make sure you have an exceptional experience. We want to simplify things and ensure you fully understand what's required. That's our commitment to you. Call us with any questions.
20 steps to get your mortgage loan.
Initial consultation. Complete a brief initial phone consultation to discuss your home buying goals and financing needs. This helps align expectations and determine the best mortgage options.
Complete mortgage application.
Completing your mortgage application fully, accurately, and on time is crucial for expediting the approval process and avoiding delays. Obtain credit reports. You can get your credit reports and go over your credit scores. This allows you to identify and dispute any errors to improve your score. Credit reports are needed to qualify for a mortgage. Gather financial documents. Start gathering necessary financial documents, including tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements. These verify income, assets, and debts, crucial for mortgage approval. List monthly debts. Make a list of all monthly debts and expenses. This helps determine your debt-to-income ratio and mortgage affordability.
Research mortgage rates and programs.
Compare mortgage rates and loan programs like FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional loans. Finding the optimal loan for your situation saves money. Determine affordable price range. Calculate an affordable price range based on income, debts, taxes, insurance, and other costs. This sets realistic expectations for your home search. Get pre-approved. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you're qualified and strengthens your offer.
Find a real estate agent.
Find a trusted real estate agent to represent you in the home buying process. Their expertise helps you navigate negotiations and paperwork.
Start viewing homes.
Tour homes in your target price range and note must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Focus on homes meeting your most important criteria. Make an offer. Make an offer contingent on financing and inspection approvals to protect yourself should issues arise. Complete appraisal. Now it's time to get an appraisal to verify the home's value matches the loan amount. This is usually required by lenders. Submit mortgage application. Submit your mortgage application fully and accurately, providing all needed documentation. This speeds up processing. Lock in your rate. Lock in your interest rate once your loan terms are finalized. This protects you from rate increases.
Order a home inspection.
Get a home inspection and use issues found to potentially renegotiate with sellers. This protects your investment.
Obtain home insurance.
Secure home insurance quotes to get coverage protecting against damage risks. This safeguards your property. Complete final walkthrough. Do a final walkthrough to confirm repairs were made and the home is vacant for closing.
Review closing disclosure.
Carefully review your closing disclosure, ensuring you understand all closing costs and fees. Bring ID and cashier's check to signing. Bring valid ID and a cashier's check to cover your down payment and closing costs to your signing appointment. This completes the purchase.
Activate home insurance.
Activate your home insurance and provide the policy to your lender. This is required before closing. Enjoy your new home. Ease and officially become a homeowner. Stay engaged throughout the mortgage process to ensure a smooth closing. Congratulations and enjoy your new home. We hope this helped with understanding the home buying process. Call us at the number below with any questions. Visit us at www.dickgraymortgage.com.